What are you guys doing? Oh. You turned it off? Oh, we showing Isaiah how to turn it off? Oh, the computer monitor that's under there? Yeah, I see. What? Is that right? Oh, you're not doing anything wrong, are you? What's this diaper? Oh, some pictures on there, huh? Well, that's okay. It's okay. What are you doing? Oh, you want to grab my... No, you can't grab that. Yeah, is that right? You guys gonna walk around here? Oh, there she goes. Come on. Let's go follow her. There she goes. Isaiah. Come on. Isaiah. You coming? Come on. Come on. Hurry up. Come on. Here we go. Ready? Say, come on. Come on, Isaiah. There we go. Waiting for her. Oh, there she goes. Where'd she go? Aslan. Aslan. Come here so he can see you. See if she's in here? Come on. Come on. Aslan, where are you? Aslan, where'd she go? Aslan, where are you? Is she around here? Maybe. There she is! Peekaboo! Come on. You putting the baby to bed? You coming? Come on. Yeah. The baby's dead? Are you putting her to bed? Oops. That's not nice. He's just coming over to see. Yeah, fortunately that's clean. Well, he's just looking at it. He's not doing anything. He's just touching it. Don't you touch it? Oh, well, that's all right. He's just looking at it. He's just looking at it. He wants to see what's in there. Is there anything in there? Ow! Oh, that's silly. Say, oh, that's silly, baby. Baby's gonna sit on the potty. Oops, over their face. There you good girl. She's going the potty. Wow, that's good. Whoa. Oh, she's going night-night on the potty. Well, that's kind of silly. Well, be careful. Will you give Isaiah a baby doll to play with? Over there? Can he have that baby? Here, let's give him a baby doll to play with. He said thank you. That's his baby doll. You don't want him to cry.
Okay.
You gonna read to him? That's nice.